Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool meeting right here, and basically what this is a compact cutlery organizer that you put inside your drawer. So you can see it's from the brand called Joseph & Joseph. Let me actually take out from the wrapper to give you guys a better point of view of the product. Alright, so we take out from the wrapper and see that this is basically what it looks like. If you see in the back right here, they tell you guys what you guys can put in each different section, or you can organize it however you guys want to as well. But let me actually take out this part right here first. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. If you guys look inside right here, they do have the little logo right here or symbol to tell you guys what you guys can put in each different section. So here's like a spoon, here's forks, and here's knives. And in the bottom part right here, they do have the logo as well, Joseph & Joseph. But as you can see in the inside right here, they do have a lot of space, so you can just store it inside. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. And if you look at the bottom part right here, they definitely have a very nice design part right here. So they do have this little opening on the bottom, so that way the water can leak out. And they do have the anti-skid material, so once you guys put it onto like a flat surface, it doesn't move around, which is pretty cool as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up and show you guys what it actually looks like, and then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like right now in terms of the drawer that we have set up right now. So I'm set up the other one that we have right here to show you guys what it actually looks like. So let's say if you guys want to put this inside right here. You can see how it fits inside right here, and we do have space for us to put another one of the same exact one if we want to. But let's put some stuff in here to show you guys what it actually looks like. So right here we got the fork, so you want to slip inside right here. So you can see how spacious it is. So you definitely put even more forks if you guys want to. So you can see how spacious it is, so that way you guys can even put more stuff on here if you guys want to. So you can see in the one that we have right here, we have a lot more space and more stuff to put. So if you guys do need a bigger one, they do have a large size available for you guys that you can use. But if you guys want to put these on here, you can definitely do that as well. So for example, if you guys want to put a chopstick inside here, you can just definitely leave it inside right there as well, just like that if you want to. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully assemble it. So this one right here is definitely pretty small, so you can't put a lot of stuff inside right here. So if you want to get a bigger one, they do have the large one available that can put more stuff. But this is basically another point of view of the product of what it actually looks like once you guys fully assemble it. Definitely looks pretty nice and very modern and very simple. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys all test out the product and definitely see that it does work and it works quite well. I definitely love the fact of how they have all those little symbols, so that way you guys know what you guys are putting in each different section. You don't have to follow it, you can definitely put it however you guys want to, but they definitely have that symbol available if you guys do want to use it. If you've seen the video, it's just so easy to use, and I definitely love the design of the product. It looks so simple and so modern when you guys set it up. And for this product, they actually have in like bigger size, like there's a large, there's a medium, and this is like the small version. So if you guys want to put a lot more stuff, you probably want to get like the medium one or the large one. They definitely have a lot of different products available that's very similar to this one right here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to make sure everything is organized in your drawer, like your knife, your spoons, your forks, and utensils, and etc. Then this product is definitely super worth it. But then obviously, if you're those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.